This is a Cadillac Lyriq. It's Cadillac's all-new electric SUV, and the one of two ways I was talking about on buying an electric car. One of them was going to be buying used, which is what this is. The other one was leasing with the $7,500 tax credit, and most makes way overvaluing their residuals on leases. You can get a really cheap lease, like Ed did on an Audi e-tron for, a couple $100 a month on a $100,000 Audi for 2 years. There's other instances of that, and that was going to be the case with the Lyriq, except it turns out it didn't qualify for whatever reason on the lease for the $7,500 tax credit. So that blew it up, and they were going to give me MSRP for the Cybertruck, $102,000. But my backup was this. It's a 2023 with 9,000 miles, 300 plus miles of range. This is the two-wheel drive, but it is the launch edition and very, very loaded with the Super Cruise, which is a rival to Tesla's Autopilot, installed and working. And this dealer was willing to give me $111,000 on the Cybertruck. So I get not only what I paid for it, but also all of my sales tax back, to where I'm not losing very much money. I think I'm even making a couple $1,000s. And they were willing to sell this to me for $42,000, which knew this was close to $70,000. So 1 year old, 8,000 miles, that massive depreciation I was talking about, and you have $25,000 off, a third, not quite half off. And with that higher trade value, really it's like $35,000 is what I paid for this thing when you consider over MSRP.